If you haven't tried meditation before or don't think that's something for you, don't worry. I'm gonna take you with me right now, where you sit down, close your eyes in a comfortable position. It's a great time to find some soft things to place your legs on, and sit down and relax in a chair on the floor. Be undisturbed with ourselves, our breath, our body, our feelings, and enjoy this time for yourself where you're not supposed to do anything. It's going to take about 5 minutes. So if you're ready and prepared, take a sip of your coffee while we're listening to his voice about appreciating each moment. I'm gonna put the microphone and the phone down and try to record the sound from this. So hopefully it will be okay for you to meditate with me right now.
We tend to live our life as though it will go on forever, neither appreciating what we have or aware of the preciousness of each passing moment. But we can change this attitude at any time. So it's not that we deliberately set out to ignore each passing moment or to not have a sense of appreciation or gratefulness for it. It's just that we get so caught up in our thinking, so caught up in the world around us that we miss it. But it doesn't have to be this way. And by training the mind in meditation, in mindfulness, we start to become more aware of the present moment. In becoming more aware of this moment right now, we start to feel a sense of gratitude, appreciation. We start to see how fleeting it is. And so there's that connection with what's going on in the world right now, in this moment. So sitting comfortably, just going to start with some big deep breaths. Remember, eyes open, soft focus. Just breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And with the next out breath, just closing the eyes. Just feeling the weight of the body pressing down. Notice if the weight falls evenly. Noticing the weight of the hands, the arms resting on the legs, feet on the floor. And at the same time, becoming more aware, space around you, noticing perhaps the temperature, the sounds, not thinking about them, but just allowing those sounds to come and go. And then just bringing the attention back to the body. Noticing how the body feels, and starting at the top of the head, just gently scanning down. So slow, steady, even scan. Down through every part of the body. Just noticing any obvious sensations as you scan down towards the toes. And as you scan, just beginning to notice the breath. So Just noticing the natural rhythm of the breath. Noticing where you feel it. Noticing if the breaths are long or short, deep or shallow. And then just following that movement, counting the breaths as they pass. You find it easier. And when you realize the mind's been distracted, just letting go of that and just coming back to the breath again. So allowing that feeling to remain, but just letting go of any focus on the breath, becoming more aware. The other parts of the body, the sensations, in particular that feeling of weight. The points of contact, the body pressing down, back to the sounds around you. And then when you're ready, just opening the eyes again.
And just like that, we are back at our normal life with so many distractions and stuff coming towards us, decisions we have to make, responsibilities we have to do. But with a little bit of practice every single morning, a couple of minutes just for yourself, sitting, feeling your body and yourself, catching if you're thinking about something, and bringing it back to now, can really make a big difference in your entire day. The way you respond to the things that come towards you, you can be much more and more at ease. What does it say? We tend to live life like it will go on forever, unaware of each precious passing moment. But we can change this attitude at any time. So if you're interested in knowing how you can deepen your morning ritual even more, I'll suggest that you check out the video right here on the screen right now, where we're going into level 8, and that is an exercise that is required you to lay down and relax and breathe deeply. Wim Hof breathwork. I'll see you there.